Alright, I got some explaining to do. What's going on, guys? Got a little update here for the channel finally. Here. I'll show you what's going on. Oh. So, got myself a new daily. Bought a 2015 Silverado. It's got the 5.3 and it's got what, 46,000 kilometers on it for a 2015. She bangs. 6-foot bed. It's got the tow hitch already. I'll be renting a lot of U-Hauls next year because I'm gonna have to tow the drift car to the track. I guess I can do a little walk around of the Lexus. There's not much really to show. It's stock. But I got some damage from the last event. Broke a taillight, popped like at least 5 tires. There's a bunch of rubber I gotta clean off. That polish I did earlier this year, that polish and sealant, the car still glows. It's dirty, but it still glows. I got Stefano over here. He picked up an IS300. He's gonna be drifting next year. He's gonna get a set of easy knuckles probably, or he'll buy the Figs angle kit. We'll see if he wants to ball out. But yeah, we're gonna get him out at Top Drift, right?
That's the plan.
He's pretty fucking pumped. He's been watching me send it all year. We went to like every Top Drift and it was a blast, man. Some of the funnest weekends of my life, you know, nothing but good vibes. And everyone should come out if you want to see what drifting's all about, because Top Drift's got a mix of everything. Custom cars, swaps, everything. It's fucking nuts. So I'll start off with the LS1 and the T56. I pulled out of my 98 Camaro. If you guys want to check that out, I got a video of me showing the car, doing some donuts and shit on the street. Really tested this out and it works pretty fucking good. So I'm gonna drop this in the drift car and we're gonna have a lot of fun next year. We're gonna be fucking partying, making some jam. It's gonna get a cam, intake, headers, full exhaust. But yeah, I just got the accessories around it. So stay tuned for the content of me dropping this in the car this winter. It's gonna be fucking lit.
I need to get myself together. I'm a man. The bikini bottom, I was sad.
I did some things with the Camaro and the Subaru. I sold the rolling shell. Really was not hard to sell. I literally listed the ad on Kijiji. By the next morning, I fucking had like at least 10 to 12 people asking me about it. So I ended up selling it to this one guy. He came to the trailer, no problem. That was easy. The Subaru, well, things kind of fell apart for the Subaru. I had big plans to turn that into a drift car, drop the LS in it, blah blah blah. During the summer, I brought it to Serious Garage Works out in Oakville. I've been talking with Pat Sear for a while now about helping me put together a drift car, doing the swap and everything, and I got him on board. So I got him to check out the Subaru. I brought it there. It turns out it needs like a lot of work, and I thought all about it. Decided like not to go through with the build because the body was in rough shape. It wasn't getting any better sitting in my garage, and Subarus just really aren't good cars to set up for drifting because they're not meant to do that. I just wanted to do something a little different, so that was my idea. It would have costed me a shit ton of money. There would have been a lot of fabrication involved. Basically, reality hit me and I was like, alright, you know what, like, this is not that realistic. I'm just gonna go with plan B and build the Lexus. I had that, I've been daily driving it and taking it to the track. It's been a lot of fun, and I know there's an LS swap kit out there that you can buy from Dedicated Motorsports, where you can bolt in an LS and a T56 right into the IS300. That being my plan B, decided to go with that because that would cost me a lot less money than trying to build the Subaru into a drift car. I started researching into the IS300 and that swap and everything, and realized it's a lot more realistic and it will be a lot more worth it to build that car because IS300s, they're rear wheel drive, they have a strong and reliable rear end. Axles and differential, they'll hold up, they hold power a lot more than what the car has stock. So I don't have to mess with that because on the Subaru I would have to change all the rear end. Like differential and axles, the R180 stuff does not work. And fuck, it just looks like a pain in the ass to deal with. You can swap in like an R200 diff out of a Nissan into the Subaru, but like you're doing a lot of fabrication, you're getting custom axles made, and you're modifying your hubs and everything to do that, and it's just a lot of extra work that you have to do that you don't have to do in the IS300. Not to mention the aftermarket parts that are available for IS300s are, you know, there's tons, just like Subarus, but you can actually buy parts to drift your IS300, like angle kits and suspension adjustments and all that, so you can set up your IS300 to drift good. Depends how much money you want to invest. So that's what I'm doing. We're gonna send the IS300 to Serious Garage Works. Pat and the team over there, they're gonna help me put the swap together. What do you want? My car is gonna go to Serious Garage Works early December, which means I got like 2 weeks to pull my motor and trans, which I wanted to do already, but since we're doing like renovations at home, I don't really have the room for that. Hopefully I'll be able to get that done. I'm also going to Bancroft to watch Tall Pines rally, so it's gonna, time's tight. I don't have much time, but I'm gonna have to fucking put in work to get that out. I already ordered the dedicated Motorsports IS300 full swap kit. I've been talking to Matt Owen over there. He hooked me up with engine mounts, transmission mounts, headers. Yeah, Visa. Oh, I got chocolate on my hand and steering wheel, you motherfucker.
Yeah. What the fuck happened? What'd they do? I feel like they fucked up.
Obviously they did. They didn't know what the fuck they made. What the fuck was I saying before I was rudely interrupted by that very attractive female? So the IS300 swap kit that I bought from Dedicated Motorsports includes headers, transmission mounts, engine mounts. It comes with like a wire harness, it comes with like clutch hydraulics, it comes with throttle cable, it comes with a bunch of goodies basically. And they were telling me that the LS actually weighs lighter than the 2JZ naturally aspirated because that's an iron block where the LS is an aluminum block, but it's actually lighter because the material, which is fantastic because it balances the car out better. But yeah, that's the plan. Pretty much went through it all. I'm gonna try to get as much content as I possibly can at Serious Garage Works. And you know, as much as I like making videos about myself and my drifting, my videos are becoming to be like the same video over and over again, just lapping Shannonville. And I also want to get footage of other drivers killing it on track because there's not too many people out there doing that. Looks like we're gonna start a new YouTube channel, right?
That's the plan.
We're gonna start a new YouTube channel. It's gonna be called T.Drift. Basically gonna put videos together, montages, some solid edits of other drivers on track. You know, trying to get publicity that way.
So yeah, T-Dot's gonna be coming out in the next couple months, maybe in the new year. We're gonna be dropping a couple videos of all the footage that we grabbed from 2018 pretty much, and we're gonna throw it out there for 2019. And then we're also gonna be coming out with new footage. We're gonna be making so many videos. We have a couple pranks we wanna do. We have a couple little skits. We're gonna do a little bullshit things like that, see how it goes. It should be fun. Hopefully you guys like it.
Well, that's the plan basically. It's our plan for the winter and this coming 2019 season. Just want to get a lot of footage, get a lot more content out there for everyone to enjoy, and we want to get good at this shit, obviously. I'm just gonna wrap this video up now, so stay tuned to the channel and T.Drift. I'll let you guys know when we make that channel. and start getting it going with the videos and the content. We're looking forward to it. So yeah, stay sideways. Can't wait to see everyone's winter builds come to life next year. Peace.